everybody, it's Molly and Monica here at So-and-So's Place for Together Tuesday. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope y'all have had a wonderful weekend. We survived Strawberry Fest. Yay! That was a really great time. It was the 75th Annual Tennessee Strawberry Festival. I hope I got that name right. It was pretty long. Here in Dayton, Tennessee, and we had a great time. Thank you for everybody that stopped by the booth and came to the store. We really enjoyed meeting a lot of new faces and old friends. So thank you very much. Are we good on technicalities
Vivian's
here?
On
Oh, hey, Vivian. Yeah, Vivian is the bomb. We love Vivian. Hey, go look over there on the quilt rack and grab Vivian's new Bargello sampler. So yeah, we had a really great time. We have some new fabrics in today that I would love to share with y'all. Yes, that's the one. And we are just, oh gosh, I got stuff on both sides of me here. Real quick, let me show y'all. This is Vivian's new sampler. Am I all in frame here?
Yep.
Okay. This is going to be a class this summer, and if Vivian says no, I will cry. But this is going to be a class this summer. Doesn't take a whole lot of fabric, but you'll learn the Bargello technique. So we are tickled with this one. She just brought it in this weekend. Yay! It is so pretty. This is all using batiks, but you don't have to use batiks, but you know, they're just so lovely. So we love to share them with everybody. So thank you, Vivian, for this sampler. It is gorgeous. All right, so drum roll. Okay, I'm going to start with this box or this box. Which do you say, Monica?
Right.
Right?
Always the right first.
You're right, my right. Okay, well, let's start with this one because it's just kind of interesting. It came in and I was like, oh, okay. You know that everything in Quilt World is off season. So this came in and I was like, oh, surprise, surprise. Check it out. The fall fabrics have started coming in. So it's really pretty, and some people love fall year round. Nope.
Pumpkins are upside down.
They're upside down?
Yeah.
Oh, well, okay. Let's do it this way. Hey, listen, you know, if she wasn't here, I'd be showing it to you upside down. So there you go. It is very densely printed with all the different kinds of pumpkins and sunflowers and gourds and, yep, everything all in there. This one would look really good fussy cut, as a repeat, as a stack and whack, you name it. You could do a lot with this print. So very pretty colors. I know we're not even in summer yet, but the fall stuff is coming. And let's see, to go along with that one. Okay, you can't tell me this one's upside down. Now this one you could do any time of year. So pretty, pretty sunflowers.
Darlene's on.
Hello, Darlene. Welcome. And this is the last of the fall. We just got these few in. There'll be more coming. And these pumpkins. So all three of these are coordinates. And, you know, so it begins. There we go. Alrighty. So they are here. Now these are Northcott fabrics. You know, we love Northcott. Fabrics that feel like silk. All right. Adding to the off-season additions to the shop. You ready for this, folks? Anybody in the mood for some cowboy boots and cowboy hats?
Cowboy country.
With trees and roses and horseshoes, roses and candy canes and, oh God, there's no telling, poinsettias and holly and you name it. But they're awful cute. I mean,
Vivian says me.
yeah, oh yeah, we know Vivian loves it. The ropes and
No horses though, Vivian.
no horses on this one. But there you go. There's that one. The first of the Christmas has started to arrive at So-and-So's Place. So tell one, tell all. All right, Vivian. This one's got you all over it. And again, this one would be great for a stack and whack. There you go. Little silver horseshoes with holly berries and stars.
That's cute.
And
I can't wait to see what Vivian makes with those two.
I know. Oh, there's more. You have to think in threes and fives. Check it out.
Check out those boots.
Yeah, with the little trees on them. And
Hey, Christy,
let's see.
thanks for joining us.
It says Merry Christmas, y'all, on one of these boots, and Cowboy Christmas on another one. So very, very cute. I'm pretty much up for anything red. And last but not least, a nice blender. The stars, the green stars. Alrighty, so this is our first of the year Christmas collection. Again, this is from Northcott. Am I in frame here?
Yep.
Okay. Alrighty. All right, on to box 2. Let me get these down here so they
Vivian,
don't.
while she's doing that, guess what's going to be here Thursday?
Ooh, what's that? What's that? Tell me.
Her mitts that her dual-sided mitts she ordered.
Oh, from Norwex. Oh, wonderful. Cool beans. Yes, Monica's our local Norwex lady. So if y'all need anything, give us a call here at the shop. Okay. This is really pretty. Now, I know y'all quilters think of all this stuff in terms of quilting. I actually made a couple of outfits already in my brain from this.
Angie's on.
Hi, Angie. Hello, hello, hello. I know. Check out. Yeah. Very soft, isn't it? We love batik. So we got in some more batik today. This just came today, and I very quickly got it all unwrapped. Let's see. That one is called Light 566. Some of them have interesting names. Some of them are just kind of, that's a name.
Vivian
So,
likes it.
yep, that one's Light 566. This one is Riverside 676. This one almost looks like like some kind of a plant that you're looking at through fog or something.
Or along the river.
Yeah, there you go.
Angie says hello.
Hi, Angie. This one's really pretty. Blues and kind of blue-green gray. Really, really pretty. I watched an interesting video about how batiks are made the other day. If I can find it again, I'll share it with y'all. Okay, now here come the rich, deep colors. This one is Fire Brick 193. There's not a thing to not love about this one. All my purple friends, here you go. Purples, lavender, green, couple shades of green in there, couple shades of purple.
It almost looks black on the camera, but it's dark green.
Yeah, it's greens, shades of greens. That is quite lovely.
Dawn joined us.
Hi, Dawn. Hey, Dawn, I got the printer working. Okay, this one. This one is MAG Solid number 30. So this is what they consider a solid in batik land, I guess. Look at that.
Looks fancy.
Wow. Wow. This is a deep maroonish leaning towards a purple, not eggplant. This is maroon, but oh my gosh. It's like a watercolory.
Regal. It's regal.
Yes, very regal. That's a good descriptive word there. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, next we're going to go a little bit lighter, and this one is MAG Solid 31. Solid 31. And this one is pink. Not bubblegum, more of a mauve-y pink.
I just had visions of like mother-in-law, or like Mother the Bride,
Okay.
for some reason.
Okay. That works, but it's beautiful.
Yes, it's gorgeous.
And when you put the
No, I
two,
didn't mean that in a bad way.
yeah, and look at them together. All right, let's see. Next. Now we've already gotten a couple with this first name, cardamom, M-O, not cardamom like this spice. This is cardamom, M-O-M. This is cardamom 346 because there's a couple different cardamoms with numbers in the system. Look at that. This one's a blue-green, kind of on the grayish side of blue-green. And that's quite lovely. See, and I would think it would go in with those basics, but all right, this next one is called Irish Cream. Don't ask me why. I don't name them. That's pretty. That's a really pretty, summery, soft morning yellow. And last but not least, for today's fabrics, oh, this one is gorgeous. This one is Nutmeg 904. Isn't that pretty?
That's beautiful.
Now look here, I can just stand right here and make you a 3. And for those of you 3-yard quilt lovers, 1, 2, 3. Right there. See, it's just so easy. It's just so easy. Even I can do it. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, and coming up in the shop, the only class we have left that's starting this month is really not a class, but this is National Foster Kid Month, Foster Children Month. My mother hates when I say kid because she thinks of goats. So this is National Foster Children Month. So remember that on the last Saturday of every month, we make pillowcases to take over to foster care. And then next month in June, we have beginners quilting starting up on Thursday, June 2nd. We still have openings in that class. Vivian's going to be doing her Swirling Star tabletopper again. Nancy's going to be doing the Conquer the Convergence class and her reading pillow class. So if anybody has any questions about any of those, you can give us a call and we will answer them. You can stop by. Thank you to all of my online shoppers. I love you. I work very hard to get your orders out the same day that they come in, or at least the next day's shipping. And if you ever have any questions, I can be reached at 423-285-5959. And we love you all. Thank you so much for joining us on Together Tuesday.
Diana just hopped on.
Oh, hi, Diana. I will hit the post button and this video will play again. And we love you all. Have a wonderful day and join us again right here next week on Tuesday at 3 o'clock. Who knows what we'll have to share? It's always a surprise to us, too. Bye-bye, y'all. Oh, we won't be here next Tuesday at 3 o'clock. I just remembered. We will be closed next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, for a family event. So maybe we'll do a three-peat, and maybe we just won't be here next Tuesday. Maybe I'll post a nice video for y'all for something else. Okay? But y'all have a great week. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
See you guys.